So let's jump right into it. So here's your robot. This is what you're going to get. It's going to come right out of the case. You can pick it up by the tracks. Next, you're going to have your controller, your battery. So we'll set those to the side right now. You're going to have your charger for your controller and your charger for your battery. You're also going to receive these two antennas. So to charge the battery, it's real simple. You'll pull the battery out. You're just going to pop it on top, plug that in, let it charge overnight. This is a 6.5 amp hour battery. You should get anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours of run time on these. And again, you're also able to put in adapters and run off Milwaukee's, DeWalt's, any kind of 18 to 20 volt battery. So we'll throw that into the bot. Here's your controller. So you're going to screw on your antennas. 1 and 2. And then you'll turn your bot on, and then you're going to press, let go, and then press again and long hold until you hear that beep. You can go ahead and set that down and let that boot up. In the meantime, we'll go over the charging process for the radio. So to charge this bot, two things down here. You're going to have an SD card slot. That's where all your pictures and videos are going to go. And you're going to have a USB-C port. The USB-C port is to charge, so you plug the charger in. The radio needs to be off, and then you'll see a red or green LED here indicating whether it's charged or charging. Green is charged, red is charging. So that's pretty much it. Those are the only two things that you need to charge for the robot. Okay, so our indicator light is solid green and not changing. That means we're ready to inspect. So that's the main indicator. So right off the bat, the controls, this is going to control your camera here, left and right, up and down. This is going to control the bot, forward, backward, left and right. This right here is going to control your extra LED light for when you're shining up. Now back down to the controls. So on the control, it's real simple. You're going to hit A to Z recording. Once that's booted up, you'll open up the FPV app. And that's it. You're ready to inspect. You can look around, drive around, and you're going to have a crisp, clear HD video downlink. Now when you're ready to take a picture, you simply just hit this camera button over here. It shrinks down and pops back up. That means you took that picture. To do a brush, you're going to hit the brush button, you're going to open it up, and now you can do live mark. So now you're going to circle any issues you're having, and you can also take that picture. When you want to get rid of those, you can delete them and draw another, take that picture. If you just want to back out of that, you can just hit the X, and now you're back to your normal screen. When you want to record video, simply hit the camera button on the right side, press the camera button down, and it's going to start recording. When you're done recording, or say you want to pause that recording, simply hit it again. You can hit the pause button. That's going to freeze the recording but not save the recording yet. And the reason being is it's going to take different snippets that you tell it to and put it all onto one file on your SD card. So you're not going to have 10 different files on one inspection. All your video will be on one file. When you're done with that inspection, simply hit the stop button. Here's your share, delete, or edit. You can simply hit the X, and all of that got saved to your onboard SD card. How we can confirm that before you leave the property is simply swipe to the right, pull up the menu. You will get a picture-in-picture offer here. You can close that out. Now you can simply swipe up and go to your gallery. When you go to your gallery, you'll see the photos that we have on here. I have some extras. So you can actually look at your pictures and make sure that everything is there. You can even watch back your videos just to make sure that your videos are gonna go through or are clear enough so you can either post them on Facebook or put them into your reports if that's what you do. We'll back out of all of that. And that's the simple how-to of operating the new CrawlBot HD-T. All you would do is simply take out your SD card out of the bottom down here, put it into a reader, put it onto your device. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to give me a call or reach out to me at crawlbotinfo.com.